AI is going to change the world, and there are many interesting crypto AI projects that are being launched currently. One of them is IONET, and in this video I'm going to do a brief overview. So IONET is basically the internet of GPUs, meaning that they try to decentralize access to the computing power on GPUs. So basically this is especially good for different AI startups that want to have scale, they want to have access to cheap computing power, and by decentralizing that you can get cheaper access as well. So the token is not out yet, but you can already try to mine it. There are already an instruction on how to install and how to put your GPU to use, which is pretty good. So they have this entire website built on the different GPUs being turned on, and this is about harnessing the power of global GPU resources, building the cloud, as well as a couple of other projects like so you have cloud, you have a worker, you have explorer. You can start earning right now if you want to connect, and you can create your cluster here. So you can create your cluster wherever you are in the world and basically connect your resources to make them useful. So this is already pretty interesting. If you have idle GPUs, you can put that to good use here and also get paid in the future IONET tokens. So this is what's coming out. Put your GPUs to work, as you can see. Basically, this is the kind of rewards we're getting. Everything is also running on Solana, and they are collaborating with Render and Filecoin, which is also pretty interesting. And this is about the maximization of infrastructure. So this is the example of IONET Worker. So workers are for machine learning computations, and the comparison here is with standard chips like RTX 4090 and basically the other places where you can get that. So basically the promise here is that you're going to, as a GPU user, you're going to get it cheaper. As a GPU owner, you can put that your own idle GPUs and CPUs to use. So earn unprecedented profits on your GPUs and CPUs. So this is pretty cool. And of course, the third product is being the Explorer. Every network needs a great Explorer. So transparent real-time metrics on cluster deployments, compute jobs, network supply, and the live pricing oracle. So that's pretty cool. You have access to all the machines, as you can see here, see what's really available to you from the perspective of the user, and also where you can come in as a GPU or CPU owner. So this is especially good for builders of AI models, different startups, and as we know right now, we have shortage of AI chips, and that's also basically run by the fact that NVIDIA is producing not enough of those, or at least the demand for different chips is higher than what's available. So if you want to jump in right now, definitely go to the docs. If you go to the docs, then basically you will have the entire thing explained to you. As you can see, it's powered by Solana and Aptos. Our mission: build the world's largest AI compute DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure network. So that's another big narrative within AI. You can at least think about it this way. And you have different guides on how to install it. So if you go to the documentation, you can choose between Windows, macOS, Ubuntu, HiVos, and basically they inform you about everything. You can also run a YouTube tutorial on how to run everything on IONET. So that's actually pretty simple, and you can go through every step, select the supplier, and that's basically it. So if you have idle GPUs, definitely worth trying. Of course, nothing here is financial advice, purely educational content, so you have to keep that in mind. Crypto is risky, but I really like different AI crypto projects, and IONET is really interesting. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.